Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I want to say a big welcome and like and subscribe down below if you love seeing all this in your videos. Now, we're going to go ahead and get started on a very easy recipe. This is for a weeknight. You have leftover chicken or you have a couple chicken breasts and you have some things lying around in your freezer. This is the recipe for you, especially vegetables. How many people have bags of frozen vegetables or cans in their pantries of vegetables that they're not using and they just sit there like, I could use that for something? Well, this is the recipe and it's a delicious chicken stir fry. Now, I know your mouth is going to be watering, so let's go ahead and get started on the video. So the ingredients that we have here are things that you already have in your freezer, in your pantry. So I'm not going to go through each and single one of them, but I wanted to kind of showcase what all I'll be using in today's video. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken. I'm putting it in the oven to par bake it. I'm gonna finish it off in the frying pan with the vegetables and the sauce. So I'm seasoning with black pepper and some sea salt. I'm obsessed, of course, with sea salt. And then I'm gonna also soak it with some soy sauce as I put it to prepare for the oven. And now that I got that nicely coated, and then I'm gonna put some sea salt, shake it around, get the marinade on the bottom of each chicken breast, and I'm gonna put that in the oven to bake. I wanna say about 20-25 minutes. These are from frozen, so I just wanna make sure that I get them mostly cooked again, so then when I slice it to put it with a stir fry, it finishes up with the vegetables and the sauce in the pan. Now that I have the chicken par cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and get a skillet heated up, almost to smoking point with the vegetable oil, and then with vegetables. And then this frozen blend just makes my life a lot easier. So I buy frozen blends of this, and I buy frozen blends of spinach. So I'm gonna take about half of the chicken, yep, and I had to get that piece of vegetable off the stove. It was looking weird. And I take half the chicken to cut into slices, and then the other half I save for later. So after I get that all nice and sliced, I put it in with the stir fry to continue to cook the chicken with the vegetables. Now that I've done that, it's almost fully cooked for the chicken. I sprinkle in the brown sugar because that's gonna help sweeten it up really nicely. And then I add in the apricot preserves. Now, I've been doing this recipe since high school. My home ec class, I found this recipe in one of the books, and well, a version of this recipe. But the one thing I haven't changed is the apricot preserve. It gives it that nice light and sweet flavor and just makes this recipe bomb. I can't even lie, like this is my go-to, easy, everything's in the pantry, stir fry. I don't go complicated with it. And then I put in some more soy sauce. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir everything together and combine it nice and well and go from there. Now, I also do a cornstarch slurry. So I do equal parts water to equal parts of cornstarch. And I start slowly and just kind of build up to make that slurry. So it should be that consistency. And trust me, it thickens it like a champ. I use that for this, and I also use it for my sweet gravy sauce. I haven't filmed the sweet gravy sauce. That recipe I normally do for the holidays to go with my ham. Now I'm gonna show you what all of this looks like now that the cornstarch has thickened up the glaze that's in there. It's just, oh, delicious. And I had to put sesame off camera because my husband is allergic to sesame, so I separated it and then put sesame in mine. But I hope you enjoy. Now, if you have tons of that left over after making a huge amount of it, make sure you store it and please do not freeze it. I'm telling you right now, if you're like me, you are the type that will keep leftovers until the day is blue. Make sure you eat it, pack it for lunch, send it with your loved one. They're gonna want some more of it, especially when that delicious apricot with the sesame, you think about that again, make sure you eat it, okay? Now, I wanna see you in the next video. I hope you take care and enjoy your time. Bye. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.